Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week, Porsche announced that their newest Panamera model lapped the Nürburgring in an impressive 7 minutes, beating its predecessor by almost 6 seconds. Initially, we speculated it was the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid, and today that speculation has been confirmed. This beast is powered by a plug-in hybrid V8 powertrain, cranking out a whopping 771 horsepower and boasting a larger battery. New Panamera features an upgraded twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. Porsche has swapped out the previous twin-scroll turbo for a single-scroll design, promising higher peak pressure. The gas engine alone churns out 591 horsepower, and when you add the electric motor's 187 ponies, you're looking at a combined output that's 81 horsepower more than the outgoing model, an astonishing 737 pound-feet. Plus, the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission has received some fine-tuning for even better performance. Porsche claims the new Turbo SE hybrid rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, 0.2 quicker than before. And it doesn't stop there. Its top speed has been bumped up to a thrilling 202 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour higher than its predecessor. The hybrid system is designed for peak performance, with a high-voltage battery that charges faster and stores 45% more energy. Dear viewers, we offer you for affordable prices advertising your business and any cooperation on our channel. For more information, you can write us in the comments and in social networks. Aesthetically, the Turbo SE Hybrid fits right in with its newly redesigned Panamera siblings, but with a few unique touches. It sports a distinctive rear bumper and bronze exhaust tips. You can also opt for a carbon fiber aero kit, which adds sleek front air blades, side skirts, and a rear diffuser, all made of carbon fiber. This kit not only enhances the look, but also increases downforce by 132 pounds at 124 miles per hour. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and high-tech, with a 12.6-inch curved display for the driver and a 10.9-inch touchscreen, plus an optional identical screen for the front passenger. Now, let's not forget about the Panamera GTS, a beloved staple in the Porsche lineup. After a brief hiatus in 2024, it's back and better than ever. The 2025 GTS now packs a revised twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, pumping out 493 horsepower, 20 more than before. Porsche claims it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, a tenth faster than its predecessor, with a top speed of 188 miles per hour. The sound, it's pure music, thanks to a standard sports exhaust. It features a specially tuned adjustable air suspension, lower spring rates, and reinforced anti-roll bars. Its ride height is 0.4 inches lower than the regular Panamera, enhancing its sporty stance and driving dynamics. You can spot the GTS by its black logos and subtle styling cues, including matrix LED headlights and full-width taillights. Every GTS comes with black body trim as part of the standard sport package. Porsche says both the GTS and the Turbo SE Hybrid are available to order now, with deliveries expected in the first quarter of next year. The 2025 Panamera GTS starts at $156,195, nearly $20,000 more than its predecessor. The Turbo SE Hybrid starts at $228,495, also about $20,000 more. So there you have it, folks. The 2025 Porsche Panamera lineup is looking hotter than ever, blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive updates, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe.